Hi everyone. We have all been so extremely busy, and being a content creator for YouTube, you have so many things that you need to organize. And for me, being a very busy YouTuber like everybody else, we need some kind of structure. So I decided to make myself a planner where I'm able to track what challenges I do, what swaps I do with other YouTubers, and also keep track of my own accountability for my own channel. So that way I know where I'm at, where I need to focus my energy to, and keep me balanced because that's one of the hardest things to do with having a YouTube channel is to make sure that you stay on track. So I went and bought a laminator, and as you see, I'm doing some tests just to check and see what grade of lamination I need for my planner. I've decided to do some drafts of what I thought would be needed for me to stay organized, and of course edited them, modified them, wasted a few hundred pieces of paper. Well, that's what my husband would say. Wasted probably about 30 sheets of paper trying to figure out what was the best size and what I really wanted on it. So that way I can, when I get to the point where I'm making my YouTube video, I can literally look at this and say, oh, I need to do this, this, and this, and I need to say this was the host, this was the co host, this is their channel, the date it needs to be published, the time it needs to be published, and like the time zone. All those things are so crucial for us to be able to stay organized. And I am one of those people that love to be organized, even though I have so much stuff that I am also going to be cleaning out some of my DIY stuff that I don't need. But thank God we have some challenges coming up that maybe I can pass on some of my goodies to some other YouTubers. So, just to let you guys know what's going on, and the first part of this video is a test on how the laminator is working, and you will see the finished product at the very end. Thank you very much for being here, and I really appreciate it. And I may be sharing this with everybody. Thank you.
Beautiful. Yay. So I've been working on these planners that I've been talking about. This is the inside, that's the outside. That's the rear of the planner. Isn't it cute? Then I have this one, and that's the inside of it. Then I got a Tinkerbell. She is so cute. Then I got the Tinkerbell back. Super cute. Then I have this paisley design with a back, and the inside is that color. Here's another one of those pumpkin ones, because we're in Ohio. Pumpkin is everything. Then I made a page marker with the pumpkin. I thought that was really cute, and I made it on both sides. That way you can mark your pages in between your binder. I have some rings coming, so we can make these full-on binders. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to sell them. I haven't made any decisions yet, but I definitely want to make one for myself, so that way I can keep it and keep organized for my DIYs. So here is the sheets before I cut them and separate them. So this is the challenge one, and I have a few copies of that. This is the swap one that I designed. And then, because that's the swap one, I designed one for myself so I can keep myself with my DIYs on track. The reason I made these is so that way very busy. I think we all are that does DIYs. We're all extremely busy. We try to save time in so many places. Plus, I work a full-time job as well. So sometimes it's best to be organized. And then that way I can take this binder with me anywhere I go and know where I'm at in my projects. So that's what I plan on doing today. I'm going to put them inside sleeves, and I'm going to put them inside a binder and keep myself organized. And maybe I will give away a few free ones, insert pages, or actual binders. I may give away one free. Who knows? Right now, I am planning out my strategy on making these for myself and some of my friends. Thank you. So I've been placing them in envelopes and getting ready for them to be laminated. These are my own personal ones that I'll make personalized ones for people. Lots to do. Got my Snapple. They're all laminated. So I got my rings, I got my inserts, and I got my covers and my backs. I'm gonna put it together and then I'm gonna let you guys see it. So these markers are water erased or wet erased. So you can write on your planners and wipe it off when you're done. So here is my planner. And I put a little bit of tags so that way I know what place I'm at. And now I gotta fill in all of the blanks, which I'm gonna do off camera because a lot of people's information is on here and we don't need anybody to know. If the shoe fits, wear them. and then the back. Thank you, everybody.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay,